guys, the electric life here. Look at this, we're on top of a big grade, Cuesta Grade. Gonna go up this hill up here, check out what's going on up there. Pretty cool. Got the 010. The 11 is still getting fixed, you know, so that'd be all good. Now, I haven't been on these roads since college. Not sure what's gonna go on down. Not a through road. No target shooting. All right. That will not be a problem for me. Cool. Ah, yeah, this is what I needed. Some fresh air, smooth roads. Nice. Ooh. Look at these little corners. I have to make sure the camera is up. We going up. Wow, no parking up there, eh? Guess there goes the road, huh? Short-lived, my dream. I want the least amount of rocks. Too big to be off-roading. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh man, I really don't like this. I feel like I'm getting to the top though, so I'm like, I'm almost there. Oh. All right. Flat tire might be worth it. Gotta bring the real true 4x4 stuff out here. Sorry guys, not going as fast as I normally would be. Literally no one up here. Guys, you got the Morro Bay Rock. See where the mist is coming off right there? That's in the ocean. Then you get halfway over there. Cuesta College. Cal Poly. San Luis Obispo over here. Crazy. crazy, crazy, crazy views. And a little bit of ranch, a little bit of farm still. But man, that view from the rock, hella cool. Crazy, lose a brake and go, ah! Alrighty. All the pictures have been taken. The peaks have been reached. Nice little quick trip. See, it doesn't make noise now, you know. Shit. Well, that's cool. I wish this paved part was a little more, but I'll take it. Cool little ride. Just like that.